Welcome to our channel where we do product comparison videos. In today's video, we will be comparing two graphics cards by ZOTAC, the GeForce RTX 3060 Twin Edge OC and the gaming GeForce RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The RTX 3060 Twin Edge OC is priced at $418, while the RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC is priced at $268. The price difference is significant, however. It's important to keep in mind the specs and performance that come with the higher-priced RTX 3060 Ti. Both graphics cards use NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, have 2nd-gen ray tracing cores and 3rd-gen tensor cores. However, the RTX 3060 Ti has 8GB 256-bit GDDR6 with a 14 gigabits per second memory speed, while the RTX 3050 has 8GB 128-bit GDDR6 with the same memory speed. The RTX 3060 Ti boost clock is 1695 MHz and has low hash rate, LHR, 25 mHz ETH hash rate, EST, while the RTX 3050 boost clock is 1807 MHz. Therefore, the RTX 3060 Ti has better specs overall. Both graphics cards use the IceStorm 2.0 advanced cooling system, with the RTX 3060 Ti having active fan control and freeze fan stop. The RTX 3050 has freeze fan stop and active fan control. Both also have metal backplates, however. The RTX 3060 Ti has added white LED logo lighting. Overall, the cooling system on the RTX 3060 Ti is slightly better. Both graphics cards are 8K ready and have 4 display ready with HDCP 2.3. The RTX 3060 Ti has 4 DisplayPort 1.4a and 1 HDMI 2.1, while the RTX 3050 has 3 DisplayPort 1.4a and 1 HDMI 2.1. Therefore, the RTX 3060 Ti offers more connectivity options. As we saw through our comparison, the RTX 3060 Ti Twin Edge OC by ZOTAC is definitely the better graphics card when it comes to specs and performance. However, the RTX 3050 Twin Edge OC is a good option if you're on a budget. Do you agree with our comparison? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.